Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make the treehouse villa with swimming pool in SketchUp. Okay, the first step, I make the rectangle and push it up in here and duplicate it to the double story. Anyway, I sped up this video from the approximately 45 minutes to around 8 minutes in here. Okay, then I push the elbow surface in here to make the wall and also the glazing in here. And then I make the cylinder support. To make the column in here, and I divide the glazing into the several parts to make it more representative glazing in here. So this is about the basic and the first model. Then I make the another component with the vertical siding, siding in here with the wood texture concept. Okay, and then I duplicate about the both of the slab to make the another meshing in here. So this is the another meshing, and I push it up in here and just erase some unnecessary line, and then I make the elbow glazing in here and push it up in here. Okay, and then I assign about the materials of glazing and divide about the materials of glazing also in here. So this is about the L-shape concept of the three villas in here, and this is the top level meshing in here. I'm not only make the double story, but I also make the 3-story in once in here, and I still divide about the rooftop with the semi-outdoor and outdoor rooftop in here. Okay, and this is about the totally outdoor rooftop in here. Okay, and after that I make the openings in here on the near of this rooftop in here, and I divide about the surface of the glazing into the several parts, and I make the rectangle again in here and just place and divide into the several parts also, and then I make the rectangle in here and offset it inside and push it up type around 1 meter in here, 1 meter in here. Okay, and then I click and divide in here. Okay, and after that I assign about the decking. I assign about the decking in here. Okay, and after that I push it to the another side in here, and I push it down in here and make the parts of the swimming pool in here. I make the concrete and I make the water materials in here. Okay, it's like this, and I make the another elements of the landscape in here. Okay, and after that I make the another level of this landscape in here. Okay, it's like this, and just push it to the another side in here and push it down, and then I make the another planter box in here, and I assign the materials with the another materials, and then I make the stair in here and duplicate about the stair into the several parts in here to make the access to the another level of the landscape in here, and I extend about this landscape and make it sloping and assign with the grass materials in here. And after that I make the sloping again in here on the left side in here, and extend about the sloping and assign the materials about the sloping to make it the greenery in here. Okay, and after that I make assignment about the materials, especially of the floor in here, and I put some component in here, especially the tree component to the another sloping landscape in here, and I assign about the small plants in here on the front of the infinity pool in here, because I make the plants in here to cover the gutter position of this swimming pool in here. Okay, and after that I make the carport or garage in here, semi-outdoor garage in here. I make the curve in here and try to put the car in here, and I just move the several component to maximize the space about the carport, and then I make the sloping landscape again in here, and I put the duplicate of the sloping landscape in here, and I adjust about the garage in here to maximize the space. Then the garage can be three position of car, and then I assign about the materials about the marble and another kind of marble in here to make it more representative, not only the white color because it's so monotonous in here. And I try to make the another decking of the rooftop in here, and I make the shading in here with the simple shape of the shading and duplicate it into the several parts in here, and just scale it up over there. Okay, and after that I make the another shaping in here. I make the glazing. I make the glazing on the bottom of the marble stone in here, so it would make it more representative in here. Okay, and after that I just move and duplicate about the plans in here to make it more representative in here, and after that I make the sloping again in here. I try to make the freehand, okay, to make it more representative. Okay, and after that I put another landscape in here, especially the tree landscape, and duplicate about the small landscape, small plants landscape in here, so it will make it more representative in here. Okay, and after that I try to extend about the cantilever of this floor of this area, and I extend about the boxes area to make it more representative, so it could be like mezzanine room in here over there. And I just extend this room with the another cantilever in here, and I put the semi-outdoor dining table in here, and then I put the diagonal position of the pool deck in here and hanging pool deck diagonal in here. Okay, so the pool deck it's not only on the another left or right wing, but it also on the diagonal. And I'm use the freehand to make the tree, so I call this is the tree villas because the center the villas has a tree position in here. So I put the another extension of the decking of the pool deck, of the hanging pool deck, and I make the circular or curvy corner in here and sign about the materials about the decking in here with this decking, and just offset it inside and this place. Okay, and after that I make the glazing area in here. Okay, I extend for this I extend about this roof in here and make it dark color in here. Okay, and after that I make the barrier. I make the barrier in here to make the railing of the curvy and hanging balcony and pool deck in here, hanging pool deck. Okay, and I adjust about the balcony railing existing in here. I adjust about the position of it and adjust this one and try to make the another component to make it more representative, and we can see about the proportional of this 3D model. So it's not finished, but because I still make the another additional room in here, so the additional room is on the left side of this sloping in here, and I just make the simple additional room with the two support of the column in here and make it modern look like in here, and just assign about the size and assign about the glazing dividers in here, just a little bit over there in here. And I try to make the another roof in here to make the black roof in here. So this is about the result in here, and so you can see about the final result in here, and we can assign with the shadow in here. So this is about the final result of the 3D modeling. This is about the basic 3D modeling and basic concept 3D modeling of the three villas with the swimming pool in here. So the villa is not as usual. So the villa has the multi pool deck and also multi balcony. So the decking it's not only straight, but the diagonal decking is the uniqueness. The uniqueness element of architectural in this villa, this three villas design, and this is I think that this is out of the box. Thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.